prefer to shoot some awesome video clips for their trips, parties, etc. to memorize the happiness. However, most of the AVCHD video clips are in MTS format, which is usually encrypted. You can directly play them in iPod, iPhone or some other mobile players until you convert MTS to MP4. This video will provide you the best MTS to MP4 video converter for Windows and Mac. The easiest way to convert MTS to MP4 online step by step, so that you can simply convert your MTS to MP4, a commonly used video format for almost any devices, and then play your MTS video without any trouble. Part 1. Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate. To convert MTS files to MP4 files, all you need is to get a professional MTS to MP4 converter like Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate. It supports over 1000 video and audio formats for conversion, including MTS, MP4, MOV, AV, MKV, WMV, etc. You can edit your MTS files before conversion with trimming and cropping unwanted parts, adding watermarks, applying effects, and many others. Compressing MTS video size without losing quality is also allowed here, which will help you save much space for your devices. This is an all-in-one MTS to MP4 converter, which also has additional functions like video downloading, DVD burning, video transferring, etc. Main features: convert MTS to MP4, AV, MKV, MOV and other 10,000 plus formats on Windows and Mac. Compress MTS video size without losing any quality. Burn MTS videos to DVD and play on your DVD player with free menu templates. Optimize conversion presets for iDVD, iMovie and Final Cut. Edit MTS videos with advanced video editing features including trim, crop, apply effects and add subtitles. 30 times faster converting speed than any other common video converter. All-in-one video converter with functions of downloading YouTube videos, recording screen, transferring videos to mobile phones, etc. Here's how to convert MTS to MP4 with Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate. First step is to download and install Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate. Then add your video files. After that, you have to choose your output format and convert it. Part 2. Media I/O. If you don't want to install or download any software on your PC or Mac, you can use the free online MTS to MP4 video converter, Media I/O. It's the best MTS to MP4 converter online and free to convert videos without watermarks and ads. It supports most of the videos and audio formats for compression and conversion. You can upload 2 under 100 MB MTS files at the same time. The converting speed is up to your internet connection, so it's more suitable to convert 1 or 2 small files. Here's how to convert MTS to MP4 via Media I/O. First, open the site and then upload the file. After that, choose the MP4 as the output video file format. The last thing is to convert and download it. Hope you enjoy our video. If you have any good idea or question, please leave us a comment. Subscribe to our channel and you will get more about video conversion tips.